Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best smoothie blender Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Magic Bullet Smoothie Blender. Is another popular choice among families and individuals alike, powerful, and versatile and portable. We test the Magic Bullet Road Blender next and we like both their appearance and their results. This ball design is modern, but is also perfect for kitchen countertops, short space occupying minimal space while providing maximum speed and versatility. It is very easy and comfortable to use. It just exploded, literally, in all your favorite ingredients in the cup, turn the blade that aligns and make it work. With a handy cover to go flip caps, and it offers a smoothie in the race and it's clean smooth, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Why limit yourself to just shakes either? The versatile Magic Bullet can whip, grind, chop and mix well, so the mix possibilities for creating healthy, tasty and nutritious treats are endless. If it is unimaginative and little time, Magic Bala have included a practical guide with a range of 10 seconds recipes ranging from appetizers to dessert. It is employed to get time to say the kitchen with this amazing kitchen appliance. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. Professional Ninja Counter Blender, BL610, comes with a 1000-watt engine performance and can mix like a pro through food. It comes with an outstanding feature sheet guarantee to improve functionality of this blender, cutting through fruit, food, vegetables in an effort to be effective. It also helps in the proper mixture of frozen foods, and I have to crush ice advantage also. The mixer also comes with 4 unique hand keys programmed to provide different textures and drinks, everything at your fingertips. First, for the highest function control, drinks that need the calm and cold nature of crushed ice, blender offer just that as an option to create frozen for you special drinks at any point in time. Second, low speed control, the advantage of the beautiful textures of shakes creation, correctly receive the fruit mixture, a rich flavor and exceptional all shakes should be had. Thirdly, there is an advantage, much slower than the speed control, it allows thicker drinks and sweets such as ice cream and flavor, for example, the delivery of mixtures surprisingly gradient along and versatile consistency. Finally, you can choose your favorite sauces and dressings from this mixer, deleting completely incoherence and great delivery mixing work. Overall, the Top Ninja Specialist Blender, BL610, is very easy with 25 cookbook recipes, sufficient enough to clean and comes to have fresh ideas mixed and refined already. A perfect blend of flavors and textures given refined, and also has the ability to leave satiable feelings after each mixing process. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. Professional Ninja Counter Blender, BL660, is a suitable mixer that can be used for various purposes. For starters, the design's robust rare qualities makes these mixers stand out effortlessly. Look through your 72-ounce plastic frame for mixing, and it has a strong design for handmade easy grip. It also has a measuring scale on your body that can be used to effectively measure the amount of the substance to mix, and 72-ounce jar capacity is also generally suitable for a large house and the facility to mix enough for a whole family. What's more, his glorious motor power up to 1100 watts of raging ice can bite conditions with snow. In addition, the torque is delivered with ease and has a robust design for a mixer. This capability provides an incredible mix of 3 speed functions for different slopes qualities that make the blends. Other Ninja Professional Blender Counter, BL660, the purchase is worth, is its ability to control the pulsing of a single serving with an option together. Furthermore, the arrangement of the design in these mixer blades is what gives it its unique and smooth out any inconsistency mixability. They tear and to deliver grind through the toughest ingredients, excellent results. The mixer also has 2 separate cups of Nutri Ninjas suitable to make delicious drinks while driving. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ninja Fit Personal Blender. The popular brand Ninja, this Fruit Ninja Personal Style Fit Smoothie Blender is perfect, seriously, for all of their health. Prepare smoothies and milkshakes full of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals, or even some protein powder. Throw and drink your body and the potential of their recharge after weight training load fitness goals. The Ninja Fit is his personal creation solution for custom drinks that can be enjoyed on the road. It's quick and easy to assemble and operate, in addition to cleaning up after a breeze. It is short work of mixing their favorite frozen fruits together to create a healthy environment of green vegetables for meals or a power-packed and densely nutritious drink. With a source of sheath 700 is supplied with water and 2 cups of Nutri Ninja Sip and caps, it is the perfect solution for all embark on a new want diet and exercise regime. There is also a cookbook containing the 50 functions recipes with complete instructions together. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Ninja Mega Smoothie Blender. The Mega Ninja is not so much a mixer as a complete kitchen system. You can have an exceptional professional performance level and also supply perfect mixed frozen ingredients well. It is one of the most famous mixers, and that will definitely keep with a price that is much friendlier than many of its competitors' professional style. Equipped with a 1500 watt base, with a jug 72 ounces, the blades are sharp and work under almost pulverizing everything you throw worries there. From nutritious drinks that can be enjoyed on the road, cut into pieces to prepare ingredients, fresh sauces and even delicious mass that crushed easily through the ice, whole fruits and vegetables in seconds thanks to the Nutri Ninja technology. 5 manual programs and a lot of accessories, including 2 cups Nutri 16 ounces with lid seal to enjoy the milkshake on the go. It is definitely worth every penny. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.